Let's unbox a huge collection of wild animal toys. We have some zoo safari wild animal toys. We have 3 playsets, so let's start unboxing. We have some unique wild animals today, so we'll be learning their names and facts about them. So keep watching. Let's unbox the first playset. It has lots of wild safari zoo animals. Firstly, we have a tiger. A tiger is a wild cat with orange skin and black stripes. Tigers are also known as silent hunters. A tiger. Next we have a Cape buffalo. Cape buffaloes are wild buffaloes which are found in the African region. Cape buffaloes have big horns which are actually very useful in identification of their age and their gender. Cape buffalo. Next we have a jaguar. A jaguar belongs to a cat family. They are big cats. Jaguars can hunt very deadly. Next we have a panda. Pandas are one of the most extinct species in the world. They are mostly found in the forest of China. A panda. A moose. A moose is a wild animal also found in the wild jungle safari. Moose belongs to an antelope family. They have a bunch of horns on their head. A moose. Next we have an impala. Impalas are also part of the antelope family. They have these horns on their head. Impalas. Next we have a hyena. Hyenas are unique mammals. They are usually scavenger hunters. Scavenger hunters are the animals which feed on the leftover of other predators. They have spots on their bodies and they have a strong jaw which is also used for hunting. Hyenas. Next we have a grey wolf. Grey wolf is a carnivorous animal mostly found in colder regions. A grey wolf. Next we have a puma. Puma is a cat. Pumas are also known as cougar. Cougars are wild cats which can run up to 35 meters per hour. That is actually to the speed of cars. Now let's unbox the other animal playset. Firstly, we have a lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. They usually hunt during night time. A lion. Next we have a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus are the third largest mammal on earth. They live in water as well as in land. A hippopotamus. Next we have a brown bear. Brown bears are also known as grizzly bears. They are most active at dawn time and dusk time. A brown bear. A camel. Camel is a desert animal. Their body is adapted to live in droughts without water for so many years. A camel. Next we have an anteater. Anteaters are basically called called ant eaters because they live on ants and all the insects they can find. An ant eater has a long mouth which can help them eat insects. An ant eater. Next one is an Indian rhinoceros. They have a tough body and they have giant-like horns. An Indian rhinoceros. Next we have an elephant. Elephant is the heaviest mammal on land. Elephants are African animals which can be found in the savannas of Africa and wild jungles. An elephant. Next we have a chimpanzee. Chimpanzee are also known as chimp. Chimpanzees move in groups. Chimpanzees are one of the most sensible and loyal animals. Now let's unbox the last animal playset. We have a zebra. Zebras are herbivorous animals found in wild jungle safaris. A zebra. A zebra. Next we have a cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal. They have spots on their body and their lean body help them run up to 75 kilometers per hour. A cheetah. Cheetahs are cats and they are very dangerous killers. Cheetah. Next we have a lion. A lion is a cat which is also the king of the jungle. A lion. A beautiful lion. Here we have an oryx. Oryx belongs to the largest antelope family. They have spear-like horns which can actually protect them when they are being hunted. An oryx. Next we have a red deer. A red deer has horns on its head and they are usually found in the cold forest. Red deer. Lastly, we have a horse, a wild horse. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.